Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you a few ways you could switch up and style your twist out. This is my twist out and I'm currently loving it. See my grey hair, can you imagine? I'm a small girl who see grey hair. God. Anyway, don't be deceived by the length of this hair because the shrinkage is real, you see. So guys, the first style would just be to switch up your part. I started with the side part, but you can switch up to a middle part. The next one would be take your finger and part some of your hair in the front like so up to your ear. Then you're going to roll your hair like I'm doing. Then you'll take a bobby pin and pin your hair down. You're going to repeat the same thing to the other side. You section, you roll, and pin down. Here's another pretty way you can style your twist out. And yeah, just make it look nice and be satisfied with. The next style is just real easy as well. I'm going to take my finger and section out a part of my hair around the crown, the top of my hair. I'll use a black scrunchie to make a very loose bun, and you can see how I achieve that. Once you're done, fluff out your bun like I'm doing, and there you have another twist out style you can rock. Next style is also easy. You're going to take your thumb and make a part from under your ears, dividing your hair in half. It doesn't have to be equal halves, but just divide it in half, and then you use your scrunchie to make a ponytail. Your ponytail might be small, but the shrinkage is real. And yeah, that's one style you can rock. The next style is also easy. Just get the rest of the hair in the back and make a high ponytail. Fluff it out real good, blend it in with the first one, and you have some kind of a mohawk. The next style is my favorite. You want to take something to part your hair down. You can part it all the way down, and even if it's not all the way down, it's fine. Just make sure you part your hair into two, and then take the whole hair and just roll around like so. You're doing it all the way around, and I got carried away. I thought my hair was really long. I put a bobby pin right there and then discovered that my hair came off. So life happens. Just tuck it back in and then use a bobby pin. If your hair is shorter, you might need more bobby pins and do it like multiple times, but yeah, you get the idea. Do it on the other side as well. Put a bobby pin and just tuck, and that's the end of this style, guys. This is so easy. I love it. And you can style it with any kind of accessory. I just played with it a little bit until I was satisfied. For the next style, just go ahead and section some parts of the crown, divide your hair in half, use a scrunchie to put that in a ponytail. Fluff out the front curls until you're satisfied, and there you go. That's the end of my styling the twist out. And even after all these styles, you guys, look at my twist out. I just used a pick comb to pick the twist out, and that is it, man. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Until next time, bye.